Installation standards are there. During installation we have to take care. Central Electricity Authority grid standards, technical standards 62548, design requirement PV system PVRS 60364, PV power supply system 62305, lightning protection IS 732 60364, rules of wiring, and IS 875, minimum design load on structures, wind load. The next is equipment selection, warranty 4 types, defects in manufacture, if any defects is there, some damage or something like that. Related to output performance over time, what is the performance over time during the using that product. Related to proper operation of installed system over time, whether it is operating properly or not. Energy performance related to guaranteed energy of grid connected PV system per year, means output of the solar power plant, it is as per design or not. Defects in material, power output of from modules 90% minimum 10 years, 80% for 15 years. Kilowatt output over a period of time, provides energy yield over specified period of time. And this next one is preparation of installation. In this, location of equipment as per system owner, means location should be decided as per system owner. Drawing include date of issue number, drawing number, installation company name, and authorization approval from the company. All these data should include in drawing. This architectural diagram, location of all equipments, schedule of material includes all material required, means list of the material. Schematic diagram means circuit diagram. Wiring diagram means includes wire size, wire type, color, function of each equipment, and block and single line diagram. Then installation checklist. In this type of item is this number we required and details, which company, sizes, and in number, in how many quantity, like that. In that first module, how many modules require, mounting structure, how number of required, like details, hardware to connect module to structure, and hardware to connect structure to roof, and hardware to ensure roof is watertight, water should not go inside the roof. Cable between module to junction box, conduit between module to junction box, fastening hardware for cable conduit, and junction box, array monitoring box comes in array junction box category. This fastening hardware for junction box, PV array DC isolator, cable from junction box to inverter, conduit between junction box to inverter, fastening hardware for cable, inverter, fastening hardware for inverter, cable between inverter to switchboard, conduit between inverter to switchboard. So in this this is the installation checklist. In that we have discussed 18 points, and after this we have to go through the 19th point, which is next in this. So in 19th point, fastening hardware for cable is required, PV array, AC isolator, and signage is also required. Stickers should be printed on products, equipments. Installation tools also required. This is the basic checklist. You can add and delete as per you. Then this installation of equipment. Outdoor enclosure. Minimum IP56 rating should be required. String should be maintained by intermodule connector left open. Intermodule connector is MC4 connectors or some connectors between module to junction box called intermodule connector. DC isolator and AC isolator in off condition until commissioning. Both are in off condition. Array south facing, minimum 10 degree, tilt angle with 10 degree latitude, and roof pitch is 0 to 35 degree approximately. 4-hour sunshine, site to minimize shading from future tree growth. Wind load standard for a particular location. Galvanized dissimilar metals are not connected, cause electrolysis. Install roof does not leak. Then this array box IP54 rating IEC 60529. PV array located near to inverter. Inverter IEC 621091 1 and 2 and IP54 ventilation cleaning location and mounted on surface. Example walls. AC isolator main switch lockable in off position if possible. Cabling electrically protected IS 732 and IEC 60364 cable from isolator main switch to grid in off condition of grid. Cable must be clamped if not conduit. Cable clamps provided to avoid disconnection of cables from junction box. Lightning protection. IEC 62305 lightning protection for LAs are there for lightning protection. Solar array to DC isolator junction or double insulated cable single core used. Monitoring equipment installed as per system owner. Signage for junction box with solar DC live during daylight you can return. On inverter write PV array DC isolator, inverter AC isolator. So these points you can return on your inverter, and this all points includes in installation about installation of PV plants.